that you're old enough to learn about the story of Nature Boy. Years ago, somewhere near Dagenham, there was a beast road. His name was Nature Boy. Some say he's a cross between a pigeon and a tree. Some say he's just a crazy, crazy, crazy boy. But you will learn the story and pass it on. Just beyond this bush is the elusive, very scary Nature Boy. Never before has this type of footage been found. Let's go take a look. Barking Park, you know, it's trees, grass, and you know, there's Adam right.
Oh my god! Adam! Adam! No!
Oh Christ! The humanity! And on his birthday! Oh no! Secretly, Nature Boy, he wanted to be a rock star.